Hello, and welcome to another edition of Classic Creativity. In this video, we'll be focusing on one of the three balances that we'll be going over in class. The first one being symmetry. So put your name top left hand corner, write symmetry at the very top, and then fold your paper long ways right down the middle. Okay, so we're just going to draw a butterfly on the left side of this access point, this fold down the middle. And to start off, we're going to do half a circle for the head. And I know I always ask you to draw very lightly. In this case, I need you to press a little bit harder on your pencil and make those lines darker. So let's bring the body down. We're going to start it right up at the bottom of the head, come out away from that access point, and then come back in, and then just go ahead, drop it in about right there. We want our body and head to be decent length because I want you to fill up a lot of this side of the paper. Now when you're drawing your wing, you can design the shape of your wing however you want, but let's bring the wing out from right where the head meets the body and come up towards the corner, top left corner of the paper. And like I said, you can make your wing pointed at the top, doesn't matter what shape it is. Go ahead, bring it in about midway through the body. And then the bottom wing, I'm going to start down here, bring it down, and then I'm going to bring it back up towards the bottom part of the body. And after that, you can put whatever design you want in your body. I usually divide that body up by drawing some different designs on the top and on the bottom. Go ahead and put your antenna in however you'd like. So what I'm going to suggest you do is just draw a border into these wings. We are going to put whatever objects, shapes, or items that you would like to put in your butterfly. It's completely up to you how you want to design the wing. But I'm going to suggest that you don't put too much in it, because we are going to be drawing this wing 2 more times, this half of a butterfly. So I'm just going to put a few simple things in here. Musical note. Couple wavy lines. I enjoy music. I enjoy basketball. And I also enjoy art, of course, so what I'm going to do is just put some what appear to be paint splotches or paint spills. It's more of an organic shape. I'm going to put just a couple, 2 or 3, maybe 4 down here. Okay. Once you're finished with the drawn half of your butterfly, what I'm going to want you to do is take your paper and you're going to fold it, the drawing part, you're going to fold it on top of the blank side. Now, because you drew dark enough, you should be able to see your image through the paper. I know it's hard to see with the camera, but if I pull this up close, you can see where those lines were drawn, which would be on the front side of this paper. We'll lay this down, and then you're just going to trace over that image that you see on the back of the paper. Now, for sake of time, I did this already, so I just want to show you what happens when you do trace over your images and you're drawing on the back. It will transfer that image over to the other side of your paper. So as you can see, there's a light image that shows up. It's because this pencil is being pressed to this side. So now you're, by actually tracing over everything, you're creating an exact image on both sides, like I did for this paper. So once you get that done, where you trace it over the whole back and you open it back up, you'll be able to see that butterfly's image, the same image that you drew on the left, on the right side. So all you have to do at this point is just fill that in. Once you finish both sides of your butterfly, I'm going to want you to color it. Remember, this is symmetry. Symmetry and symmetrical mean any image you draw and if you can draw a line down the middle of that image and it is very similar or exactly the same to itself on both sides, then it is a symmetrical image, or you could say it has symmetry qualities. So there you have it. Go ahead and put a little face on it if you want to. It's completely up to you. So when I'm done with this, what I'm going to ask you to do is I want you to color it using color pencil and or crayon. Please stay away from marker because we are going to be working on the back of this paper in video number 2. But however you color it on this side, it needs to be colored exactly the same on this side to hold that symmetrical quality. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the video and you've gotten a little bit out of what symmetry means. And join me for video 2 when we flip the paper over and we work on asymmetry.